Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create forms and collect leads with Elementor Pro. If you're looking to capture visitor information, grow your email list, or generate business leads directly from your WordPress site, this tutorial will show you exactly how to set it up using Elementor's powerful form builder. First, head over to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your site management tools are located. This is your starting point for accessing Elementor's features. Next, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Elementor. This will open up the Elementor menu options, giving you access to all the tools and features that come with the plugin. The sidebar is where you'll find everything you need to manage your Elementor-powered pages and forms. Now, from the Elementor menu, select Submissions. You can find this by navigating to Elementor, then clicking on Submissions. This is the section where all your form data will be collected and stored, making it easy to track and manage leads that come through your website. Here's something important to note. In order to create forms and collect leads, you need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include the form builder or lead collection features, so upgrading is essential if you want to capture visitor information effectively. Elementor Pro gives you access to advanced form widgets, custom fields, and the submissions dashboard where all your leads are organized and accessible. Once you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll be able to build custom contact forms, newsletter signups, quote request forms, and more. Each submission will automatically appear in your submissions dashboard, allowing you to review, export, or integrate with email marketing tools. This makes managing your leads straightforward and keeps everything centralized within your WordPress dashboard. And that's it. You now know how to access the Elementor submissions area and understand what's required to start collecting leads through custom forms on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.